Okay. So, do you know about this super famous painting, the Starry Night? Well, plot twist. Van Gogh painted this while he was in a mental hospital. Yep, mental hospital. Come. Van Gogh literally cut off part of his ear after a fight with his bestie, Paul Gauguin. Their friendship, think best friends to enemies, faster than a Netflix drama plot twist. So, while he was in the asylum, he had a window in his room. Then that view became the backdrop of the painting. This iconic painting. So basically, insomnia plus depression equals a multi-million-dollar masterpiece. Boom. So, next time you look at the Starry Night, remember, it's not just a pretty night sky. It is a proof that when life gets chaotic, you can still create something timeless and meaningful. In simpler terms, even when you're falling apart, you can still be a masterpiece.